Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like this content, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button. So I'm going to go over to the uranium market. I'm going to do a uranium market update. I haven't done that in a little while. I'm going to go over a lot more extensive list here and give you my opinion, but everything is looking really good in my opinion. So let's look in, let's see what I've got. So uranium market update. So this is going to be a lot of technical analysis just to give you guys a viewpoint from what I look at. So URPTF, that's Uranium Participation Corp. It looks pretty good. We broke the downtrend. It pulled back, and typically that's where I like to buy. I'm not necessarily buying URPTF, but it does give us an indication that it is looking very good. Here's your URA, Global X Uranium ETF, looking very nice. It broke the downtrend, consolidated in this flag pattern, and is going higher. So that looks very good. Denison Mines broke the downtrend. Whenever you break the downtrend, it looks like they're all just pulling up, pulling back, and then going higher. So that's looking good. This is Paladin Energy. Again, it broke its downtrend and it's meandering higher. So that's looking pretty good. Lots of good volume back here in terms of buyers. So that's looking very good. Global Atomic. It looks like it's putting in a little flag pattern. You're probably going to see this thing jet higher. So if you're going to buy it, I'd be buying it in here. This one looks like it's good to pick up. So GLATF would be one that I'd be looking at to pick up. It's probably going to break to the upside since the majority of these things are going higher. DYLLF, look at the volume here. Big volume, big volume. People are loading up and they're holding on. This is probably the beginning of a very big bull market. And we are in the very early stages of it. I like deep yellow a lot. Is this thing going to rocket higher right off the bat? I don't know. It looks like it may have a little pullback, but what I'm seeing here for a long-term investment is we've got a lot of volume sticking in here, a lot of buyers, and it's looking very good. So, cost average into all these things, but they're all looking very strong. Here's Encore Energy. Broke its little this uptrend here, kind of going sideways. You might see a down day or something coming down here. Maybe we could draw like another pattern here. We've got lots of volume that's been stepping in and buying. If you see something pull back here, like around 31 cents, 30 cents, if it does pull back, I would be a buyer. That's me. So I think that looks pretty good. URG, look at this thing. This is broke its downtrend, huge move higher, pulled back, huge move higher, very small pullback. It's looking pretty good. So if you like URG, go ahead and pick that up. UEC, very nice moves here. Broke this little pattern coming down, big volume stepping in, and you've got that nice little, it's probably gonna maybe pull back a little bit and go higher, but it's looking very good to go higher. UU, this one I don't think I'd be chasing it right now, but it broke this downtrend. Big volume stepping in, lots of buyers, nice little pattern here. Boom, rocket ship higher. Now, I don't like to chase things that go up this much because it's so far away from its 50-day and 200-day, but you might see a pullback here. And if you like UU, that's when you want to pick it up on the pullbacks. I like buying on pullbacks. I don't like chasing prices. GVX uranium here, GVXXF, looked like it just kind of broke out on the upside. It pulled back. I'd be a buyer right here. This is where I like to buy on these pullbacks. It breaks out of a pattern, pulls back, comes up, pull back, and I'd buy it right here. GVXXF. That'd be a nice one to pick up. There's another really good buy here. This is Fission Uranium, FSUF. Broke its downtrend here. Nice bullish. This is a bullish engulfing here. Looks very nice. Popped up higher. I'd be a buyer here, guys. This is it. I would be buying this personally. It's going to go higher. That's FSUF. NEXTG. I like it when it does this. It pops out, pulls back. I like buying on the tops of these patterns here. So I think that looks very good, and it's going to continue to go higher. That's what I'm seeing. ISO Energy. Looks like it popped up. I thought this thing was going to take off. It pulled back into the pattern, and I bet you it's going to come and head higher after this. So this would probably be another one to be looking at If you see this thing move in the up direction, I'd be a buyer. This one is Baseload Energy. Kind of broke out on the upside of this pattern here, just going sideways. I like baseload. I'd be a buyer. Definite buyer. Load up. So overall, in the uranium market, it looks excellent. The market breadth across all of them is looking very, very good. We've got a couple that are kind of lagging. FSUF, GVX, there's probably one or two others. Find, ISO Energy. It seems like some of these guys they're moving up and they're gone. Those are kind of just hanging back there. Those would be the ones that I'd be buying into right now. That's my opinion. And spread the money out, get it out, because some of these are going to go absolutely crazy over this next bull market. And I think we're at the beginning of this bull market. I'm seeing lots of volume step in. They're buying the hell out of this stuff, and it's all going higher. So now's the time to continue to cost average in, keep buying, and I think we're going to be very well rewarded for buying at these levels if we're patient and we can hang on for this bull market. This is Finding Value. If you like this content, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.